Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you guys how to set up your MoneyMan account in Cameroon. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So MoneyMan is actually a platform in which enables you to make money online just by you clicking. So if you want to sign in, that is if you want to log in into your account, or if you want to register, you simply click on what registered. After which you simply need to choose your language. If you are a French speaking Cameroonian or if you are an English speaking Cameroonian, so I'm going to click on what English. After that, you simply need to insert your names. So I'm going to insert the name. After that, you need to insert an email address. After which you simply need to insert the telephone number. After that, you insert your username. After that, you insert your password. After that, you simply need to insert this code, that is 593. Once you are done with that, you simply click on this box and click on what registered. After that, you click on what registration. After that, you simply need to go and check your email address. They are going to send you a verification code. So I'm going to check my email address. So I will simply insert it. After which I'll click on submit. So here now you simply need to insert your the front page of your ID card and your ID card, the back page of your ID card and your ID card number, on your name and your last name. But you need to know that you can only have access to one MoneyMan account. So I'm not going to actually submit this because I already have an account on MoneyMan. Once you insert all of this, actually click on submit. It is going to take at least 1 hour for them to verify your account. Thanks for watching.